But then I think Tamil Nadu and Kerala, we're like submissive girlfriends. Oh, okay, bad word another necessary. Pangalis, okay. Okay. I think Kerala and Tamil Nadu, we're like one, submissive girlfriend types, and India is one toxic boyfriend. You just don't tell me what to do. Yeah, if you're like, learn Hindi, we won't do it. Baby, learn Hindi, baby. Yeah? Maybe we might consider. Yeah, so how many of you don't know Hindi? Make some noise. When you ask them, do you know Hindi? They will always say that they don't know Hindi. But they will say that in Hindi. Hindi nahi malum hai. It's fine if you say Hindi nahi malum. Then they say, Hindi thoda thoda malum hai. No, thoda thoda malum. I'll tell you what is this thoda thoda malum. See, if you say Hindi nahi malum also, it's fine. Thoda thoda malum. They'll know 3 basic things in Hindi. All these people who say don't know Hindi, thoda thoda malum, they'll know 3 basic things. Number 1, they know from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get it? Yeah? Somehow we know 11, 12 also, man. Somehow we know that. 13 also we know, 13. After that, 14, 15. Hindi. 15. I don't know. Number 2, we know all the bad words in Hindi. She's like, yeah, I know. More than North Indians, we know all the bad words in Hindi. MC, BC, AC. Yeah, what is BC, da? Don't say it, Dharma. Before Christ. Yeah. Yeah. If you are a true South Indian, you would have used this phrase in Hindi at least once in your lifetime. Ek gaon mein ye kisan. Madam, 10 marks for you, madam. For still remembering what you studied in 3rd language in school. Ek gaon mein ye kisan. Every single South Indian would have used this phrase at least once in your lifetime. Bhaiya, ek plate pani puri de do. Every single South Indian. At least once in your lifetime. Thoda pyas da. Okay. At least once in your lifetime. Yeah. I struggle learning Hindi, man. I don't think I can ever learn Hindi. Because my dad once told me to go to a shop and buy a stick. People who know Hindi, what is stick in Hindi? Lakdi, right? Genuine mistake. I swear, genuine mistake. I misplaced 2 letters in between. Very innocently, I went to the shopkeeper. I kept my hand like this for some reason. Bhaiya, ek ladki chahiye. He was like, kya? Kya? When he said kya, I thought, how many? Some reason. I thought maybe I'm asking less. Okay, bhaiya, 3 ladki chahiye.